Hello and welcome to again an amazing topic is serverless computing and functional services. It plays an important role in cloud computing. FaaS. Introduction of serverless computing is one of the most revolutionary paradigms in modern cloud computing. The term serverless can be misleading because server has still involved, but it really means that developers no longer need to worry about provisioning, managing or maintaining servers. Instead, the cloud provider take care of all the infrastructure concern, allowing developers to focus purely on writing code. This model emerged as a natural evolution of computing. Initially, organizations relied on mainframe, then moved to client-server architecture, followed by virtualization and cloud computing. Each step reduced the burden on developer and system administrator. The serverless cloud computing represents the next stage where infrastructure management is abstracted away completely. The most implementation of serverless computing is a function as a service. In this model, developer write a small independent function that will perform a specific task. These functions are triggered by events such as HTTP requests, database updates, or file upload. The cloud provider executes the function, scale it automatically, and change only for the time it runs. Architecture of services is what serverless system is. Function triggers, execution environment, scaling, billing, so function is what the smallest unit of execution. Each function is designed to perform a single task such as processing and payment or resizing an image. Event activate a function example including API calls, database changes. And execution environment is what the cloud provider sign up the lightweighted container to run the function. This environment is mainframe. So scaling is function are scaled automatically. If 10,000 user trigger the function simultaneously, the cloud provider runs 10,000 instances without manual intervention. So popular platforms include AWS Lambda, Azure Function, Google Cloud Function, IBM Cloud Function. The architecture is event-driven and stateless. Each function rules independently without relying on a program. The previous this and so the advantage of serverless computing is cost effectiveness, scalability, developer productivity, event-driven flexibility, challenges of limitations. And challenges and limitation in serverless is code start latency, limited execution time, debugging and monitoring, and vendor locking, security concern, real-world application. This is the security concern. This is the drawbacks of serverless computing. But the real-world application is very happening. So e-commerce websites, multimedia processing, chatbot and notifications, IoT handlers. Now we discuss the one case study with Netflix. Now Netflix uses the AWS Lambda for automation tasks such as monitoring backups and security checks. Serverless helps Netflix manage its massive infrastructure efficiently. And the small startup it also helps. Many startups leverage serverless to reduce the cost instead of investing in servers. So future trend is what serverless plus AI ML. This is a top. And hybrid models and improved observability edge plus serverless. So conclusion is serverless computing represents a paradigm shift in cloud computing by abstracting infrastructure management. It empower developers to focus on innovation. Its advantages, cost effectiveness, scalability and flexibility make it ideal for modern applications. So it is serverless computing is the purpose to become a constant of cloud technology, especially when integrated with AI, IoT, and edge computing. Thank you for watching. This is also an amazing topic. We already discussed the edge computing, and now we discussed already the serverless computing and function as service. Thank you for watching my video.